Hi guys, today we have with us Renuka. Renuka, we want to know about your story. Okay, you got very low in CAT exam, then you picked up among the highest packages on campus. So this is a story we want to know. So start with the background first. Where are you from?
So I am born and brought up in Mumbai. I completed my BCom from SIS Nehru, and then I went to do my LLB.
Okay, law.
It's also from Mumbai University only. So after that, I actually was doing my CA, but I couldn't complete it, and I was set into my mind that I wanted to do something in finance. So I went through MBA. So I got, and one of my friend was took an admission over here, but she took an admission for marketing. But she said that they have a 5 months internship and all of this. So I went into doing gave my entrance, and then I took my admission in ITM for PGD in finance.
Okay, great. So law करने के बाद why MBA तो CA आया था बीच में CA की वजह से हुआ. That's one problem यार. CA हो गया तो you are CA. नहीं हुआ तो you are BCom. You are back to BCom again, back to BCom.
There is no in between in that.
Correct.
You have to do this because law is something that gives you a good edge when you're doing CA, because that gives you good knowledge about finance, but LLB gives you a good knowledge about legal aspects of your like functioning of things and all of that.
But CS करना अच्छा है उसके बाद, because that's what I heard.
Actually, I did my CA when I was doing my BCom.
अच्छा,
the normal mentality of someone who has done commerce, it's like jump into giving CPT after year 12th, and then if you are really lucky enough, you are working focused enough to crack CA, then yes, you can go to a CA final. But then it's not the end of the world.
Correct.
If you cannot do, rather than spinning around and going downwards, it's rather choose something where you know you can find your own path where you want to go.
Correct. So then the CAT happened and you went for MBA. So now you're done MBA finance.
Yeah.
Right. So can you tell me, if you compare CA versus MBA finance, क्या similarity है और क्या फर्क है, main फर्क क्या, main same क्या है?
I think it's just that you are getting a CA ka professional degree. I guess if I compare those two also, the subjects are quite similar. Maybe there you have to do a 3 years of articleship. Here, our college is offering a 5 months internship. So that is still a good period of time where you want to search.
Correct.
Where you want to go, where you can improve on your communication skills or on what kind of knowledge you want to gain. So that is helpful. Baki, I will not feel that there is a lot of difference between... but yes, CA is CA. It's a professional degree. People respect it because... it's a professional degree, but it doesn't matter.
I feel people used to respect a lot. आज से 10 साल पहले 15 साल बहुत इज्जत आ रहे, वो चौथी गली में सीए रहता है. हाँ. टुडे एमबीए फाइनेंस आ गया और भी बहुत सारी चीजें आ गई हैं. तो भी आई एम नॉट सेइंग सीए की वैल्यू कम हो गई, सीए वही है, बट बाकी ऊपर बहुत आ गए.
हाँ, because now people have understood that it is not about doing a specific degree or specific this. How you are doing it and how you are choosing your line, how you are working towards your goal, that is more important.
करेक्ट. तो फिर कैट अच्छा नहीं गया, फिर आप यहाँ पे आ गए, यू केम टू ITM. So ITM आने के बाद now you got into a top job. So what you did in the college? Any 2-3 things you recommend to everyone कि यार तुम अगर ये कर सकते हो कर लो, तो you will get a good job.
Try to focus on your assignments, because many times people do not focus on assignments. And if the assignments are majorly on your life project kinds of things, they give a good exposure, like what would be your job like when you're doing it. If you are seeing into a CPA, corporate finance or portfolio management, we were given good assignments where we are given a company, you have to do analysis. Like if you're liking it, then somewhere you are liking your area of work is towards that. You're liking more of a derivatives kind of an assignment, then yes, you have a kind of a liking towards that kind of a set of work. But yes, of course, give into a good amount of work into that.
But that's actually a good idea. Normally ना हम लोग असाइनमेंट करते रो के, करनी तो है बेटा, तो रो के कर रहे, खुशी खुशी करना तो है.
नहीं, क्यों मतलब why to take this as a burden? Give it a good chance ना, मतलब
But this will help you understand तुम्हें life में
हाँ,
क्या
करना
चाहिए.
क्या है ना.
That's a good way to look at it.
हाँ, अब if you take everything negatively ना, तो क्या होगा, you get into that trap कि आपको कि सब कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, बोर हो रहा है. आप वो नहीं करना. थोड़ा सा you have to go out of your comfort zone. That's the reason you have come to an MBA college, right? The time is hectic. Yes, you do not get time. You're here from 10 to 6 o'clock, but then still it's okay. You have to still work. Because that's only helps you to give your maybe your internship interviews or your final placement interviews. Though sometimes you click, अच्छा हमने ये किया था, तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं. Then I guess our college had a very good thing that they were conducting mock PIs and GDs from the first semester itself. So मतलब
हाँ, इसको मेरे को बताओ यार, because this is what your director have told me as well. So you have a lot of trainers on board who are going to train you for all these things.
Yeah, so from the first semester itself, we have a tailwind department who is on continuously assessment on things like how you're writing your resume, how it can be corrected, then how are you giving your interviews, how you're giving your GDs, and other things, so what are important for your resume, even your LinkedIn profile, how you have to build it, and all of that. They give you a good, and then we have also for this, we have to give, sometimes the companies ask for entrance exams. So you have to give maths or English and all of that. So we are starting preparations on that from the first semester itself. So you have a little hold on that, and it helps into the internship rounds also, because there are few companies who ask for such aptitudes in their internship rounds also. So it helps that.
Correct. So great, yeah. So thank you. So your main, if I summarize everything, your main focus was on assignments अच्छे से करो, पढ़ाई अच्छे से करो. Not पढ़ाई, but yeah, for the assignments, practicality.
हाँ, you have to have मतलब see, पढ़ाई is you have to do it in BCom also here
Correct,
also.
correct.
For BCom, you're not very focused on where you want to go. Here, because once the internships or jobs starts coming in, rather than applying from everywhere, you choose, I want this, maybe I want to build my career in this. And then you can go for choosing that specific key and working towards that. Yeah, I want to work towards this goal.
Yeah, this is which I found common in almost everyone who got the top job on campus. They had a clarity. Plus, they have research on that. ऐसा नहीं कि वो जो पहली कंपनी अप्लाई कर दिया. They have research.
I had to have patience for that, because my internship was supposed to start in May. Our internship program starts from May to September, but I had to be patient enough for the company to come with that internship program, and that came in March. And it was quite late. It was quite late. You start becoming anxious, but then once you start give 100%. फिर बाद में रिलैक्स कर लो, आप थोड़ा चिल कर लो. आप उसके बाद कि आपने दे दिया है, आपने अचीव कर लिया, तो थोड़ा चिल कर सकते हो. यू कैन गो लिटिल बैक, बट फिर उस वक्त आप 100% दे दो.
Great. So summer placement day kind of late, थोड़ा late आया company on campus, and then final placement the company was early on campus or also.
Yes, around our final placements, it came around October. So October end, the company had.
So that was early on के late.
Yes, it's quite early on, because after what during 15 September or so on, the final placements company have started coming in. Deloitte or PwC or all of that has started coming in. You have to see what job role you want to do, but you have to.
तो जिसका summer late होता है टेंशन मत लो. तो you can be, even I did same thing. For me, my summer internship was among the last people, but final placement was among the first people.
Yeah, and that's what something my mentor in my internship told. Don't look here and there. See what you want, focus on that, and then only go ahead.
Great. Thank you very much.
So much. Thank you so much, sir.